Are you feeling sluggish and low on energy? This beef liver dish is your new energy booster. Packed with iron, B vitamins, and protein, it's a hearty and delicious way to start your day. Plus, it's completely gluten-free. We've combined tender beef liver with savory onions, crispy bacon, aromatic garlic, and tangy tomato paste for a flavor explosion. Don't be fooled by its simplicity. This recipe is a nutritional powerhouse. So, get ready to feel energized and satisfied. With that said, let's get cooking. Let's get started by preparing 500 grams of beef livers. To make them less gamey and more tender, you can soak them in milk for an hour. Otherwise, proceed with slicing them into smaller pieces. Next, generously season both sides of the liver with salt and black pepper. For a gluten-free coating, start by pouring 1 cup of potato starch onto a large plate or a bowl. Now, lightly dredge the liver pieces onto the potato starch. Using potato starch also produces a crispy crust when pan-frying. Pan-fry the liver in batches in a skillet or wok over medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Just look at that amazing crust. They look so incredibly crispy. Remove the livers and set them aside. To kick off our savory and tangy sauce, let's slice up 1 cup of red onion. Onions have a sweet and savory taste that helps to counteract the slightly gamey flavor of liver. Now saute the onion with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium-high heat in the same skillet or wok for 5 minutes or until the onions become soft. Let's slice 3 strips of bacon for those smoky and salty notes that will harmonize beautifully with the iron-rich taste of the liver. There's just something magical about bacon and liver together. They are a match made in heaven. And cook the bacon until they are nice and crispy. Next, mince 4 cloves of garlic, which can help mask any potential gamey taste or odor associated with liver. To add a bit of pep to our dish, let's dice 1 cup of green pepper. The green peppers add a pop of color and satisfying crunch, creating a lovely contrast to the tender liver. And throw that in and stir for a minute. Next, add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, which can help balance the richness of the liver and other ingredients. Stir for an additional minute. Add 1 cup of water to provide more liquid to the sauce and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. To add umami flavor, pour in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire Sauce. Finally, season with salt and black pepper. Give that a stir, and the sauce should be slightly thicker. Time to bring the liver back to the pan to reheat and let it absorb the flavorful sauce. You can also baste the liver to coat it evenly. Simmer gently for a couple of minutes before serving. To finish it off, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. This beef liver dish is an absolute revelation. The tender liver is perfectly complemented by the crispy bacon, caramelized onions, and the tangy tomato paste. The green peppers add a delightful crunch and a fresh flavor. The sauce is rich, savory, and has just the right amount of tanginess. It's a fantastic way to nourish your body while indulging in a truly satisfying meal. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.